Hi children, have you completed last class homework? Okay, look. First one, 35 minus 35. What is the answer? How much? 0. Very good. Next second one, 47 minus 0. How much? 47. Next third one, 180 minus dash equal to 180. How much? Very good. 0. Next final one, 99 minus dash equal to 0. How much? 99. Very good. Now, those who did these 4 sums correct, for them I am giving 4 stars. Okay, children? Okay. Now, coming to our topic, subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. For example, first one is 35 minus 24. So, what is the ones place number here? 5. So, open 5 fingers. Then down number is what? 4. Close 4 fingers. How many fingers left are? 1. Very good. Right there, 1. Next, observe tens place number. What is in tens place? 3. Open 3 fingers. Then down number is what? 2. Close 2 fingers. How much? Yes, very good. 1 finger left out. So, right here, 1. Finally, 35 minus 24 is equal to 11. Now, the second example is 67 minus 35. So, what is the ones place number here? 7. So, open 7 fingers. Then, close how many fingers? 5. Very good. So, close 5 fingers. How many fingers left are? 2. Very good. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Next, tens place number what here? 6. Open 6 fingers. Close 3 fingers. Okay, children? How many fingers left are? 3. Very good. Then 67 minus 35 is equal to 32. So, you did these sums very easily, na? Now, look third example. Now, third example, 88 minus 39. What is the ones place number here? 8. So, open 8 fingers. And close how many fingers? 9. Here, 8 minus 9 is not possible. Then you take borrow from before place. Means from the tens place. If you take 1 from tens place. Means out of 8 fingers. From these 8 fingers, if you take 1 finger, how many fingers left are? Then 8 becomes 7. And you take 1 from 8, no? That 8 in tens place. Means you took 1 from this tens place. Yes? So, here 1 means this is 10. 10 plus this 8. 10 plus 8 how much? 18. Then cross out this 8 and write here 18. You have to open 18 fingers and close 9 fingers. So, 18 fingers you can't open, no? So, then do another method, that is 9. Okay? So, just count after 9 up to 18. Start counting. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers? 9. Very good. Now here, how much left over in tens place? 7. Then open 7 fingers. Close 3 fingers. How much left are? 4. Very good. So, 88 minus 30 equal to 49. 38. So, here 40 is the first number here. 7. Open 7 fingers and close 8 fingers. Is it possible? No. So, then what you should do? Then you take borrow from before number. Okay. Now, you take 1 from 9. Okay. You take 1 from 9. Then 9 becomes how much? Means open 9 fingers. Close 1 finger. How many fingers left are? 8. Very good. Cross this 9 and write here 8. Now you take 1 borrow, no? That 1 will add to this 7. Then write that 1 before the 7. Then 7 becomes 17. Now what you should do, children? Yes, count after 8 up to 17. Start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers you got? Yes, 9 fingers. Now coming to here, which number left over? 8. So open 8 fingers and close 3 fingers. How many fingers left over? 5. Then 97 minus 38 equal to 59. Look another example, 60 minus 17. So what you should do first? Open 0 fingers and close 7 fingers. Open 0 fingers, children. Means no fingers open. Then close 7 fingers. Can you close fingers now? All fingers closed only, na? Then 0 minus 7 is not possible. Then you go for borrowing. Means you take 1 from 6. Means how much 6 you take 1 means? Yes, it becomes 5. You take 1 from 6. Then 0 becomes how much? You add that 1. You add that 1 to 0. That's 1 and 0. How many tens? 1 10 plus 0. 10 plus 0? 10. Then 0 becomes 10. Now open 10 fingers. Close 7 fingers. Is it possible? Yes. How many fingers left are? Yes, very good. 3 fingers left over. Now, what is the number left over here? 5. So, open 5 fingers, close 1 finger. How many fingers left over? 4. 60 minus 17 equal to 43. Okay, next example. Now, 74 minus 68. Here 4 fingers. Close 8 fingers. Is it possible? 4 minus 8. No, then you take borrow from before number 7. So you take 1 from 7, then 7 becomes 6. And that 1 will add to 4. Then 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 8 is possible? Yes, count after 8 up to 14. Count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? Yes, 6. Now which number left over here? 6. So open 6 fingers. And again 6. Means close 6 fingers. 6 minus 6. How much? 0. Then 74 minus 60. How much? 74 minus 68 equal to 6. Children, did you understood? 2-digit numbers. Numbers in the same way we can do 3-digit numbers also. Okay, look here children. How many fingers are there here? 8. Open 8 fingers and close how many fingers? 4. How many fingers left over children? Very good, 4 fingers. Now coming to next number here, 7. Means open 7 fingers. Next down number is 2. So 7 minus 2. How much? 5. Very good. Now what is the number here? 6. Open 6 fingers. And how many fingers you should close? 3 fingers. Then how many fingers left are? 3. 678 minus 324 equal to 350. 899 minus 356. First open 9 fingers. How many fingers you have to close now? 6 fingers. How many fingers left are? 3. Now coming to the second number, 9 again. Open 9 fingers. And close these 5 fingers. How many fingers you have to close? 5. Then how many fingers left are children? 4. Next number is 8. Means open 8 fingers. Close 3 fingers. How many fingers left are? 5. Very easy, no? Okay, next look another example. How many fingers you have to open? 7. How many fingers you should close? 8. Then close 8 fingers. Is it possible? No. Then what you should do? Borrow. Very good. From which number you should take borrow? From before number means 9. Then if you take 1 from 9, 9 becomes how much? Means out of 9 fingers, if you take 1 finger, then 9 becomes 8. And that one you should write here. So then 7 becomes. Now you should count after 8 up to 17. Count and tell the answer. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many total? 9. 9. The next number is 8. Open 8 fingers and close 8 fingers. Then 8 minus 8 equal to 0. What is the next number here? 6. Open 6 fingers. Then close how many fingers? 1. 6 minus 1. Yes, 5. 697 minus 188 equal to 509. Now next example. 590 minus 134. So now you should open again 0 fingers and close 4 fingers. Is it possible? No. So now you apply borrowing. So which number you should take? From 9. Now if you take 1 from 9, then 9 becomes, and that 1 will come to this one's place. Then 0 becomes 10's place, no? 10 plus 0, 10. Now open 10 fingers, close 4 fingers. How much? 6. Next number is 8. Open 8 fingers, close 3 fingers. How much? 8 minus 3. Yes, 5. Next, open 5 fingers, close 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 705 minus 160. Now open 5 fingers. Close 6 fingers. 5 minus 6. Can you close? No. So that's why you should do borrowing. From which number you should take? 0. Can you take from 0, 1? No. Then what you should do is, again you should go for the before number. Once again I am saying, we can't take 1 from the 0. That's why we are going for the another place. Means from 7, now we should take 1. Then 7 becomes, if you take 1 out of 7, then 7 becomes 6. You take 1. So that one you should write here. Don't go through this number. Why? Because first 1 by 1 place you should go. So that will come to here. 1 and 0 means this becomes 10. Now from this, it is not possible 5 minus 6. Now you take 1 from this 10. Yes? Okay, take away 1. Then 10 becomes, if you take 1 from 10, then it becomes 9. You take 1 from this 10, no? That will come to this place. Then 5 becomes 15. Now you know the normal process, no? Count 6 after up to 15. Count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. 9. And here 9. You have to take this 9. So open 9 fingers. Close 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Then open 6 fingers. Close 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Finally, 705 minus 116 is equal to 589. Okay, children, you understood? Okay, one more example. 400 minus 189. Now open 0 fingers. Close 9. Is it possible closing 9 fingers from 0? No. Then what you should do? Borrow. From which number? From this 0, can we take 1? No. So again go for the before number 4. Why you not take here from 0 means? 0 means no finger. So in that we can't take one finger. Without fingers we can't take, no. So that's why you should go for this 4. Now you take 1 from 4. Then 4 becomes how much? 4 becomes 3. And that 1 will borrow 2 here. Then 0 becomes 10. Now from this 10, can we take now borrow? Yes. If you take 1 from 10, then 10 becomes 9. And this becomes 9. And this will come to here. Then this 0 becomes again 10. Now open 10 fingers. Close 9 fingers. 10 minus 9, 1. And here open 9 fingers. Close 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Now open 3 fingers. Close 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Children, you understood these methods? Okay, now I am giving homework. Children, this is your homework. 688 minus 349. First sum, 800 minus 354. Okay, do these two sums. Complete these two with correct answers. Okay, children, thank you. Hi children, have you completed last class homework? Look first, 688 minus 349. So first here, 8 minus 9. Is it possible 8 minus 9? No. So 8 minus 9 is not possible. Then borrowing means this 8 becomes 7 and this is becomes 18. 18 minus 9 how much? Yes, very good, 9. 7 minus 4. How much 7 minus 4? 3. And here what is there? 6. 6 minus 3? 3. So the answer is 339. Second sum is 800 minus 354. So can you subtract 4 from 0? Not possible. Here 5 from 0? Then you do borrow. From where you take borrow? From this 0? No. Why? Because from 0 we can't take. That's why you should go through this 8. Then 8 becomes how much? 8 becomes 7. And this 0 becomes 10. Now again you have to take borrow from this number, no? Then you take 1 means 10 becomes 9. Then this 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Again I am asking 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So finally the answer is 446. So those who did these two sums correct, for them I am giving 2 stars. Now today our topic is subtraction of 4-digit and 5-digit number. Children, already you know without borrowing the subtraction, no? So can you tell me the answers now? Here 6 minus 4. How much 6 minus 4? Yes, 2. Very good. Next 7 minus 3. Yes, 4. Next 8 minus 2. Next 3 minus 1. Open 3 fingers, close 1 finger, then 2. Yes, this sum is very easy. Now coming to the borrowing sums. Okay, look next sum. 6,874 minus 3,565. Now you should subtract. So now 4 minus 5. Is it possible 4 minus 5? No. Then you should go for borrow. From which number you should take borrow now? From 7. If you borrow from 7, then 7 becomes how much? Yes, if you take 1 from 7, 7 becomes 6. 1 will come to here. Then 4 becomes 14. Children, 14 minus 5 how much? How to do? Count 5 after up to 14. What is the answer? 9. Next, 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Next one, 8 minus 5. How much 8 minus 5? 3. Next, 6 minus 3. Direct subtraction only, na? Yes, answer is 3. 3309. Next, go for another example. Is 2347 minus 358. Can you subtract 8 fingers from 7? No. Again you should do borrow. From which number? From 4. Now take 1 from 4 is 3. Then 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 8. How much? Yes, 9. Next, 3 minus 5. Can you subtract 3 minus 5? No. Again go for borrow. From where you take borrow? 3. Then 3 becomes 2. And that 1 will come to here. Then 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 2 minus 3. 3 fingers from 2. Is it possible? No. Then you take borrow from 2. If you take borrow from 2, then 2 becomes 1. And this 2 here 1 will add. Then 2 becomes 12. Now here 12 minus 3. How much 12 minus 3? Count 3 after up to 12. Yes, 9. And what left over here? 1. Write that 1 here. Final answer is 1989. Next sum. Next sum is 1560 minus 1398. Means now you should subtract 8 from 0. Is it possible? No. Borrow. From which number? From 6. If you take 1 from 6, 6 becomes 5. And the 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. Here 5 minus 9. Is it possible 5 minus 9? No. Again borrow from 5. Then 5 becomes 4. And that 1 will come to here. Then 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9. Count 9 after up to 15. How much? 6. Next 4 minus 3 is 1. Next last one, 1 minus 1 is direct subtraction 0. The answer is 162. Next sum. Children, now you did with 1 0 here. Now here 1's place also 0, 10's place also 0. In 3-digit numbers you did no same model. Same way here also. Here we should not subtract 4 from 0. Same way 3 from 0. Now here borrowing, here 2 zeros are there, means before number we should take, means from 6 you take. Now borrow from 6, then 6 becomes 5. So now from 6 you take 1, means 6 becomes 5. And coming to here, that 1 will comes to here. Then this 0 and 1 becomes 10. Now from this 10 we should take again borrow for this 0. If you take 1 from 10, then 10 becomes 9. And that 1 will come to this place. Then this becomes 10. Here now you go direct subtraction or not. So 10 minus 4. How much? 6. 9 minus 3. 6. 5 minus 2. 3. Direct subtraction. 3 minus 1. Here also direct subtraction. The final answer is 2366. Now another example. This is now up to 2 zeros, Now 3 places are zeros. Now this is another example. Look here. 3 places are zeros or not here? Yes. Now first from 1 is subtracted from 0. Possible? No. Now you should take borrow. From 0 can we take borrow? No. Again third place also 0. Then what you should do? So go for 4th place number. Means this 9. From this 9 we should take borrow. Then if you take 1 from this 9, 9 becomes 8. And that 1 will come to here. Then this 0 becomes 10. So you got answers. Don't write here direct answers. You should start from here. So these also borrow it. Then after start writing answer from this side. Okay. Now can you take 1 from this 10 now? So now you take 1 means then 10 becomes 9. And that 1 will come to here. Again this 0 becomes 10. Okay children, understood? Now again you should take 1 from this 10 and that 1 will come to here. Then 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So next, what is the next number here? 9. And how much you should subtract? 3. 9 minus 3? 6. Next number here again? 9. Minus 5. 9 minus 5? 4. Next here 8. Minus 8. 8 minus 8? 0. So the answer is 469. So in the same way, we can do for 5-digit numbers also. All models are same. Okay, look. Now look this sum. Now you subtract 4 minus 8. So not possible, no? So again take borrow. From which number? From 5. Then 5 becomes 4. And that one where you should write? Before 4. Means 4 becomes 14. Yes children, is it correct? Okay, now 14 minus 8. How much 14 minus 8? 6. Next one is 4 minus 0. How much 4 minus 0? 4. Next number is 6 minus 7. Can you subtract 7 from 6? Not possible. I can go for borrow. Then if you take 1 from 7, this 7 becomes 6. And that 1 will come to here before of 6. Then 6 becomes 16. Now subtract 16 minus 7. How much? Yes, 9. Next 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And here 8 minus 3. Direct subtraction now these two. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. So look here, 5-digit numbers you understood now. Just these 5-digit numbers, 5-digit. Answer also you got here, 5-digit number. So can we go for another example? Now here, 7 minus 6. Can we take 6 fingers from 7? Yes, it is direct subtraction. No? You look here, 6 from 7. This is direct subtraction or not? So now 7 minus 6 is 1. And now you take 5 from 0. Is it possible? No. So you can take borrow from 4. Then 4 becomes 3. And the 0 becomes 10. Now here 10 minus 5 is how much? 10 minus 5? 5. Next 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now again here 0 minus 2. Possible? No. Again take borrow from 6. Then 6 becomes 5 and the 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 2. How much 10 minus 2? 8. And 5 minus 1? 4. Now look here. Here first 2 places are 0. You know this model also, no? What you should do? Then take borrow from 5. Then this 5 becomes 4. And that 1 will come to here. Then this 0 becomes 10. Now here, now you take 1 from this or not. Then 10 becomes 9. And that 1 will come to here. Then this becomes again 10. Now you can subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Next 9 minus 8. Next look, 4 minus 9. Possible 4 minus 9? No. Again you take borrow from 0. Can we take borrow from 0? No. Again go for before number from 4. Now you take 1 from 4. 4 becomes 3. And that will 1 come to here or here? Here. Then 0 becomes 10. Now from this 10 you take borrow 1 and write that 1 here. Then 10 becomes 9. And that 1 will come to here. Then this 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. Next 9 minus this 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Next last one is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. This is another model, children. Look here. Here 4 places are with zeros. Okay. So look. So now you have to do 0 minus 5. Possible? No. Take borrow from here. Can you take from 0? No. From here? Here? From 8 can we take 1? Yes. So take from 8. Then 8 becomes 7. You took 1 from 8. No, that 1 will come to here. Then this becomes 10. Subtract these two. For this not possible. Again from here. Not possible. Here also not possible. From 10 can we take? So take from 10 1. Then 10 becomes 9. And 1 will come to here. Then it becomes again 10. Now again take from here 1 borrow. Then write here 10. Then this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Again from this 10 you take 1 borrow. Then 10 becomes 9 and that 1 will come to this 0. This becomes again 10. Now you subtract here 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 9 minus 4 is 5. Next 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Next here 9 minus 6. 3. Next 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 is there means you have to take borrow like this. Don't get any confused. Children, you understood? Okay. Now I am giving homework. Children, this is your homework. Do these two sums. Okay? Thank you.